In this video, I'll show you how to add attachments to tasks in Process.st. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to streamline your workflow, this feature can save you a ton of time and help keep your projects organized. To get started, navigate to the task you want to add an attachment to. When you're inside a checklist, each task will have an option to add a file. This could be a document, image, or even a video, making it perfect for sharing detailed information with your team. Simply click on the Attach File button in the task, and you'll be able to upload your file right from your computer. If you're working on a task where you want to attach multiple files, don't worry. Process.st allows you to add as many attachments as needed, so your team has all the context they need in one place. You can also link files directly from Google Drive or Dropbox. Just click on the option to add a cloud link and choose the file from your connected account. Once the file is uploaded, you can easily preview it by clicking on the file name within the task. This makes reviewing documents or images super convenient without needing to leave the platform. Plus, it's easy to share these files with other team members who are assigned to the task, keeping everything centralized in Process.st. For teams using Process.st for collaborative work, attaching files is a game changer. Imagine a team working on a project and needing to quickly review contracts, designs, or client reports without hunting through endless emails or folders. Attachments ensure everyone has access to the most up-to-date information right in the task itself. It's also worth noting that attachments are not just limited to documents. You can add links, images, or any other kind of media that will help get the job done. This flexibility helps keep tasks well documented, saving you time and preventing any misunderstandings about what's been done or what's still required. Now, if you want to take advantage of all of Process.st's features, including adding attachments to tasks, you can try it out for completely free with the link below. And here's the best part. When you use our exclusive link, you'll get access to additional bonuses, including an extended free trial. This means you can explore the platform in more depth and get familiar with its full capabilities without any pressure. So, to summarize, adding attachments to tasks in Process.st is quick, easy, and a fantastic way to keep your team organized and on track. Upload documents directly from your computer or link from cloud storage. It's all possible. Don't forget to check the description below to claim your exclusive extended free trial to Process.st. This trial will help you unlock more powerful features to boost your workflow, so make sure to give it a try.